You see this process, this process of making of boiling chicken. I don't understand it. Me, like I used to do, I marinate my chicken for several hours or a whole day. You understand? But this one now, I don't understand. But let's just watch and see what's about to happen. I think it's a quick meal. Okay, paprika, definitely. Salt. Okay. I don't know what they adding right now, but it's cool. Okay, this is garlic. Sorry, ginger. This was hard. They had ginger. Ah, I've been waiting for ginger since. So this is ginger. Okay. Oh, I think they actually want to use the chicken oil to fry the chicken. Yes, soy sauce, like we all know about the soy sauce. Yes, I will try this one. Okay. You see, na the oro. You see, then they fry. So, so they actually add water. They actually added water to it. Okay, this is water. Okay, so that if the chicken can actually cook properly, and they actually allowed the water to get dried. What are they adding again? Honey. Hey, for for sweetness. What's that? Brock stock. Ketchup. Yes, ketchup. This is ketchup. Yeah, Useno Blanaba. This one is pepper. Yes, they actually blend these peppers for spice. Ah, my mouth is watering. Hey, my mouth they water. Oh, my mouth they come out water. My mouth is watering. Oh my, this is good. This is good. Guys, I think you guys need to try this one. Sometimes let's just be adventurous when it comes to cooking. I love being that way. You see, I talk this one will save you your granite oil in the house. Perfect. Hey, they will now sprinkle on it and all of that. So